Hello and welcome to my channel Angel's Miracle. Today we are going to learn how to make a crystal grid. To make a crystal grid, you need a natural surface. It should be either wood, it should be cloth, a copper sheet or stone, but never use plastic. And never have your crystal grid directly on the floor. So I've taken this cloth mat. You can use a paper also if you wish to. This right now you see a pyramid of amethyst right in the center. So underneath this I have put an intention chit. Okay, so right in the center you're supposed to put your intention chit. So why do we make a grid? We make a grid so that all the crystals can create energy and send it to your intention for manifestation. Now this is a amethyst grid. In the center you need a big stone. It can be a pyramid of amethyst, clear quartz, rose quartz, depending on what your desire is. And you can either have a pointer, you can have a cluster. Any big stone should be right in the center. Now we will put other crystals around it to create energy which can be amplified to your desire. So I'm putting a clear quartz pencil like this. So like this you're supposed to arrange your crystal. One in the center with the desire written underneath in the chit, and then you will arrange rest of the crystals like that. One is missing, so one here. So right now your grid has energy coming from all the directions. So what are these pencils are doing? They are creating energy and transmitting it to your desire. This is what a crystal grid is supposed to do. It is supposed to create an energy field and direct the energy to your desire. What does a pyramid does? Pyramid will take the energy and give it to your intention. And so this whole thing has a very high energy. Now to activate a grid, what you need to do is you need a clear quartz pencil like that, or you can have any other rose quartz, amethyst. You need a pencil. Okay, so in this pencil you need to think the light, visualize the light coming from the tip, the universal life force energy coming in the tip of this pencil and going in the pencil. So now this crystal is filled with white light. Okay, now you see that white light is coming out from the pencil and it is going in the grid. Now you need to connect all the crystals together for them to work in harmony and create a grid. So I will run over this pencil all the crystals. So we will connect this pencil to the pyramid, then this pencil to the pyramid, and you have to keep thinking about your intention. This crystal to the pyramid, this crystal, this pencil. You are just connecting all of them to the pyramid. So they all are giving energy to your center crystal. Now they are also connected to each other. Like this you will make a circle and do this 11 times. Do this 11 times. Run this like a circle, connecting all the crystals together and mentally affirming your intention visualizing the light coming from the pencil, going in all the crystals and activating your grid. And you mentally say, I now activate my grid. And also you need to mention for how long you're going to keep this grid. You can say that I keep this grid for 21 days, and all these 21 days you're supposed to give energy at one time. So if you have decided a time like 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock in the day, every day at that time you must come and run this pencil like that. Give a white light, give energy to the grid. Okay, this is how you activate a grid. In between, if you think the work is still not happening, there is a problem, in that time you should do the cleansing also. So you can use the same pencil and run it anti-clockwise, imagining that you are removing the blockages from the grid, and take that energy out and like this throw it in the universe for purification. And again take the same pencil, again make a circle of white light and activate it with the white light and the universal life force energy. Whenever you will run this pencil on the crystal, whenever you're giving energy, don't forget to affirm what your desire is. If you are desiring to get healed faster, say that in 21 days I am completely healed, I am free from all the diseases. So you have to keep affirming whatever is your intention. Thank you.